Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge, and what a day, what a day. Dollar down the drain just like we want to. S&P, yeah, it's just sideways. Really weird wicks on the hourly. Gold is, I don't know, it looks like a descending triangle in the making over here. Looking good. S&P slightly sideways downward. Yeah, dollar very weak, very weak. And what we want is we want new lows over here. We see this line over here holding, but we want to break it down. Still, this line of the big guy, he sometimes, I think, responds on my videos as well. Very smart guy. Saw this line and it's amazing line, amazing line. So yeah, we want to go over here and below. Over here we had the 2017 glorious bull market for crypto. Like I said, Squirrel told me like the S&P 500 is really making weird wicks right now. Should be bottoming. Let's zoom out a little bit more. We see the support of the previous pre-corona all-time high, or this was the corona dump, very hard. Still a higher low in the making a low over here, higher than this low over here, so still very good. Bitcoin, like I said, I always take a good look at funding. When funding is very low, bears should watch out. We had it over here, and when funding becomes high, we need to look out for dips, like stop runs. They will stop you out of your long. Like this dip over here. We went from 8K, 8.3 to 6.3 in one day. A 2K dump, like a really big percentage-wise dump. Right now we can see we broke out. We broke the yearly high over here. Very good. And we're still kind of in negative funding territory, which is crazy. Crazy. If funding does go up a lot, we need to look out for shakeouts. Right now, this is how I chart on the 5-minute time frame. Like over here, I just start drawing lines, and I'm being really aggressive long already from over here. Here, this was the OKX FUD. The owner of OKX is put in jail under investigation, so people, their funds are locked in OKX. So this was a little bit of FUD, and I longed very aggressively here, and I kept longing, selling tops, keep buying more, and well, we're going effing parabolic over here. Right now, 5-minute time frame, looking very good. We had a little shakeout, just like over here, and we're just going higher again. Yeah, we should take a look at the daily as well. Other really bullish thing right now, funding is flat right now. Let's refresh it to make sure. This is the predicted funding. What? BitMEX predicted funding is negative again? What? This is crazy, guys. We're going higher. Yeah, simple like that. So, like I said, another really bullish thing right now is Coinbase having a premium over Bitfinex. Bitfinex usually has Tether stuff, and that's money already kind of in crypto. But Coinbase really on ramps mostly the how do you say it? The private persons, the noobs, the dump money, and we're getting premiums now. So that's really good, really good. We want real retail entering, and it is coming now. We can see that. That's why the premium on Coinbase. And the daily, yeah, extremely good. We're above the yearly high, close above here, very bullish. And like I already said over here on the 8th of October, I drew this chart. Perfect, what I was expecting, and boom, we're already almost at target. Short-term target for me is 13,800. I will take profit a little bit below it, but like you said, like we see over here, it's going according to plan perfectly. 5-minute time frame, still looking very strong. And with the predicted funding negative on BitMEX, people are way too bearish. Sorry bears, not your time to shine. Ethereum finally doing good things again. It was lagging a bit the last few days. Last year's high, we're already above that. And Ethereum about to make a higher high now over here. On the yearly chart, not as good as Bitcoin, but I mean, on the yearly, yes, but on a lower time frame, 4 hour, not as good as Bitcoin. Ethereum doesn't break the yearly high yet. Has to do with DeFi, I think. Ethereum 2.2 is coming up though, but let's remove everything. So we had this line break of Ethereum. Right now on a horizontal level, we can see this is the level to break for Ethereum. $400, very important level. After that, we can put a VPVR on as well. This level comes up, very simple, and like this. And if you zoom out a little bit more, what was the line I was having over here? Was it something like this? No, I don't think so. Was it? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I had a beautiful line over here. Is it this one? No. Anyway, still very much straight up. Very good. Link did make a good bounce today. It needed that. Smaller time frame, looking good. Made a good bounce. We can see these trend lines over here broke out. What Link needs to do right now is break this one. And after that, we can make higher highs again for Link. So one coming up, a resistance over here would be this one, and so on. Totally adds up with the volume profile. Break this one, this resistance comes up, and then it has some free running space again. Wi-Fi, very important for the DeFi ecosystem. Broke this one, did a retest on it. Not something I like, but I do think it's a place to start buying some, if you want to take that risk. So they did make a lower low, kind of. Still higher than this one though. But I would start buying it if they break this level. That's where I would start buying it. Take profit over here for a nice small gain, or quite a big gain. Anyway, like I said, I'm just surprised. Why would you short it over here? Like we just broke the yearly high. We barely, since we went up, we barely seen retests, bearish or like bullish retests. We're just going straight up. Look on the daily. I mean, people think it can't go up that quick, but look at it over here. People were like, "Oh, this candle is way too big. We need to come down now." And we see what funding did. Everybody was like, "Oh, I'm gonna short it, like funding negative." And we had a little Binance hack over here. I remember as the day of yesterday, the CZ of Binance was even proposing a rollback of the Bitcoin chain to get his $40 million hack in Bitcoin back. And he was denying even that he was hacked. But people, like, you have analysts watching on-chain stuff going on, and they were like, "Ah, you're hacked, bro." He was denying it. And at one point he came out, "Yeah, okay, maybe I was hacked, 40 million lost." So that was why this dump was over here. But in a bull market, and if everyone is shorting, we still go up rapidly. Look over here, like in a few days. Remember the day of yesterday, we had the close of the quarterly over here, we had the close of the monthly over here, and we had the close of the weekly over here. It was all on the 1st of April. So I was crazy long over there. But I was staying up, like on a Sunday evening, waiting for the 1st of April to stuff going down. Like everybody was feeling it. Something big is gonna happen. A lot of people were betting to the downside. I was luckily betting to the upside, very, very hard. And I remember going to bed and waking up and like, holy F, we had more than 20% gain in one night. And I stayed long. And over here people were so bearish, we need to come back down. This resistance should be so big. And no, we went through it so effing hard. Over here funding got positive a little, so they did a crazy stop run. And over here everybody's like, yeah, there's a head and shoulders over here. And over here they were seeing that as well. Shoulder over here, head over here. I was like, yeah, it's going down. No, we went up so fast. This was all in within 3 months. This was crazy. So, and we went from 3k to 14k, and yeah, futures went even higher. So guys, don't try to be smart and short this now. This is not a place to short. Anyway, I hope you got the message. Of course you can short, you know, after we are up higher, but right now I am beyond bullish, guys. I'm beyond bullish. And like I said, I've been very long from 10.5. This is going very well. So that's about it for today, guys. If you want to trade with some leverage, like I always do, that's where I make my most money. Make sure you don't over leverage. That's only for the pros, but do a small leverage like a 3x or something, or a 1x, just really low. Put a stop in. Make sure you use one of these links because you save money on your trading fees. There's always a little fee the exchange asks if you put a market in. I don't market that much myself. I always do limit orders, but sometimes you have a market stop. So you want to use one of these sign up links so your market stop gets cheaper. You don't pay as much fees. So guys, that's about it for today. I'm very much bullish on Bitcoin, bearish on the dollar, and still bullish on the S&P 500, but we decoupled, Bitcoin decoupled from it, so we are very bullish. And I'm about to get back to trading because I bought a lot of Bitcoin over here, so might go selling some against resistance again. Not a lot. I'll stay long, but I'm just scalping in these short ranges all the time. See you guys again tomorrow, and make sure to use one of those links. Subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you want me to take a look on. If you have any questions about funding, about premiums, why I look at them, how I look at them, please let me know. Please let me know, and I will make sure I talk about it more. See you guys again tomorrow.